Hello dear friends, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about cutaneous sensory receptors, roles and mechanisms. In first line we have free nerve endings. The location of free nerve endings, they are most abundant present in epidermis and dermis. The structure of free nerve endings. Free nerve endings are pure terminal brains of sensory neurons which are unencapsulated. The role of free nerve endings. The role of free nerve endings is to detect pain, nociception, temperature like heat, cold, and crude touch or pressure. Free nerve endings mediate protective sensations and trigger withdrawal reflexes. The second one are Meissner corpuscles. The location of Meissner corpuscles is dermal papilla or glabrous or hairs, skin, fingertips, palms, and lips. The structure of Meissner corpuscles, they are encapsulated stack of lamellar cells with a nerve ending. And the role of them is to detect light touch and low frequency vibration of latter, which is important for grip control and sensing objects moving across the skin. And the third one are Merkel's disc or Merkel cells or neurate complex. The location of Merkel's disc is epidermal basal layer, especially fingertips and lips, and the structure of them, they are specialized epithelial Merkel cells connected to nerve terminals. And the role of Merkel's cells are to detect sustained pressure, shape, as, and texture, which provide fine spatial resolution and is important for reading braille and distinguishing patterns. In fourth line we have Krause End Bulbs or End Bulbs or Krause. The location of Krause End Bulbs is mucocutaneous junctions, example lips, genitalia, and conjunctiva. The structure of Krause End Bulbs is they are encapsulated bulb-like endings, and the role of them is historically linked to cold sensation, but new evidence suggests they also act as vibroactive receptors, especially in genital and mucosal regions, may contribute to sexual reflexes and sensitivity in those areas. And the fifth one are Ruffini Endings. The location of Ruffini Endings is deep dermis and subcutaneous tissue, also in ligaments and joint capsules. The structure of Ruffini Endings, they are spindle-shaped collagen-linked receptors. The role of them is to detect skin stretch and sustained pressure, which is important for hand shape, finger position, and proprioception. And Pacinian Corpuscles, the location of Pacinian Corpuscles is deep dermis and hypodermis in palms, soles, and joints. The structure of them, they are large onion-like multi-layered capsule with a nerve fiber inside. The role of Pacinian Corpuscles. The Pacinian Corpuscles detect deep pressure and high-frequency vibration from 100 to 300 Hz. Which is essential for sensing vibrations from tools and find texture through transmitted vibration. Okay, here we can see sense organs on their skin. We can see here we have free nerve endings. Here we have Ruffini corpuscle. Here we have root hair plexuses and Merkel cell or tactile disc, tactile corpuscle or Meissner corpuscles, and lamellated corpuscles and Pacinian corpuscle. In conclusion, free nerve endings, they are responsible for detecting pain, temperature, crude touch, and Meissner corpuscles are responsible for light touch, flutter, and motion across skin, and Merkel discs are responsible for sustained pressure, texture, and shape discrimination, and Krause End Bulbs are responsible for cold and vibration, genital and mucosal sensitivity, and Ruffini endings, which are responsible for skin stretch, head shape, proprioception, and Pacinian corpuscles, which are responsible for deep pressure and high frequency vibration. Okay, this was a short explanation about their about the sense organs on their skin. Thank you for your attention.